In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a bank heist in Monopoly Go. We'll walk through how to trigger the heist, make smart picks, and turn it into steady progress. Start by opening Monopoly Go on your phone or tablet. Let the game load completely so your board, dice count, and events sync. If there's an update, install it first to avoid glitches when the heist triggers. Once you're on your board, you're ready to roll. On the board, look for the vault symbol. That's the Bank Heist tile. Roll your dice and aim to land on it. Because rolls are random, increase your odds by taking more turns whenever you've got extra dice from daily rewards or events. Keep your token moving and watch the path to see how many spaces away you are. Planning around doubles and chance cards can help you time rolls, but the key is simply to keep rolling until you hit that vault. When you land on the Bank Heist tile, heist mode starts automatically. A quick animation will pop up, and you'll enter a mini game where you can steal coins from another player's bank. You don't need to press anything special to enable it. The landing triggers everything, so just enjoy the transition. Now you'll see several vaults to choose from. Each one hides coins, and some may include bonus rewards. There's no guaranteed pattern, so pick confidently. A solid approach is to spread your choices instead of clustering them, so you get a broader chance at big pots. Take a beat to think, but don't overthink. The timer, if shown, keeps the pace up. Your goal is to maximize your haul with the picks you're given. If you have dice or coin multipliers available, use them during the heist to boost your take. Multipliers scale the total coins you steal, making a great hit even better. Just remember, higher multipliers can consume resources faster, so use them when you're feeling lucky or during special events that already amplify rewards. When the minigame ends, the total coins you grabbed are added straight to your account balance. The more vaults you open successfully, the bigger your payout, and you'll see the total summarized before your return to the board. Put those coins to work right away by upgrading buildings, grabbing properties, and progressing your collections. This growth fuels future turns and events, helping you cycle back to more bank heist tiles. Keep playing, keep rolling, and repeat the process whenever you land on that vault symbol to build steady, satisfying gains over time. That's it. Now you know how to get a bank heist in Monopoly Go and make the most of every opportunity.